In today's video, you will learn how to insert an online video in Microsoft Word. To begin, locate the Insert tab at the top of the window. It is typically the third tab from the left and contains tools for adding different types of content into your document. Once you are in the Insert area, look toward the section above Media. There you will find an option labeled Online Video. Select this option to open the video insertion window. After clicking Online Video, you're given a few different ways to add a video. You can search for videos using Bing, paste a video embed code, or search directly for videos hosted on YouTube. Each option allows you to pull in online video content without manually downloading files. For this example, use the search option and type in the name of the video or channel you are looking for. Once the search results load, you will see a list of available videos related to your search. It is important to note that this feature requires an active internet connection to work properly. Without internet access, the search results and video playback will not function as expected. After the results appear, choose the video you want to include. When you select it, the video is prepared for insertion into the document. With the video selected, insert it into the document. The video will now appear embedded directly on the page at the current cursor position. From here, you can reposition it if needed. Simply move it to another area of the document to better match your layout or surrounding content. This allows you to place the video exactly where it makes the most sense within your document flow. To play the video, all you need to do is click the play button that appears on the video thumbnail. Once selected, the video begins playing within the document itself, making it easy to watch without switching to a separate browser window. This creates a smoother viewing experience, especially when sharing documents with others. Keep in mind that anyone viewing the document will also need internet access to play the embedded video. If the connection is unavailable, the video may not load or play correctly. Aside from that, the process is quick and straightforward, making it easy to enhance your documents with engaging video content. That is all there is to inserting an online video into a Word document. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand how to add and play videos with ease. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.